Have you heard the rumors about a secret new AI from OpenAI that could end human work as we know it? People are calling it a super agent, and some believe it might take over the entire job market. Today, we're going to explore what this alleged leak is all about, how it might reshape our work and society, and why some experts say we need to act fast before it's too late. The idea behind the super agent is that it's an all-in-one AI system capable of mastering almost any task. Imagine a single AI that can write essays, code software, paint stunning artwork, analyze complex data, and even chat with customers as if it were a real person. Everything we've seen so far, like ChatGPT for conversations or DALL-E for images, are just glimpses of the bigger plan. If this leaked technology is real, we're talking about an AI that could surpass human performance in countless fields, from office jobs to creative work. How did we get to this point? Over the years, OpenAI has developed systems that learn from enormous data sets pulled from the internet. Their language models became famous for producing human-like text. Then came image generators, which turned written prompts into vivid pictures. After that, we saw tools that help with coding, video generation, and even voice synthesis. If Super Agent exists, it means all these abilities could be combined into a single AI that does them automatically without needing a person to oversee each step. Some people believe this could be fantastic for humanity. In theory, it might free us from repetitive tasks and allow us to spend time on truly creative and meaningful work. Think of a world where you never have to sort through your inbox, fill out spreadsheets, or deal with mind-numbing paperwork. Instead, you could focus on art, research, relationships, or traveling. One day, machines might even handle all the production of goods, leaving humans time to explore new ideas, new technologies, or maybe even outer space. Others see a more alarming future. If a single AI can do the job of hundreds or even thousands of human workers, what happens to those workers? Where do they go? And how do they make a living? It's possible that entire industries could shrink overnight if this technology is widely adopted. We've already seen smaller signs of this with chatbots taking over certain customer support roles. Now imagine that multiplied across everything from law offices to architecture firms. The fear is that we could face massive unemployment or be forced to quickly adapt to a world where a few AI services dominate the job market. This debate isn't just about technology, it's also about politics and economics. Some people argue that a universal basic income might be necessary if human jobs disappear. Others say we should slow down AI research until we set global guidelines. Then there are those who think everything will balance out in the long run, just like it did when machines replaced certain factory jobs in the past. But this time, AI might learn so fast that the usual adaptations, like retraining or shifting industries, won't be enough to keep millions of people employed. Of course, we still don't know if the super agent leak is 100% true or overhyped. OpenAI hasn't officially confirmed the existence of such a powerful tool, and some skeptics think it's just a rumor. But it has sparked a huge conversation about how quickly AI is advancing. Even if the super agent rumor is exaggerated, we're clearly moving in a direction where AI can take over more and more tasks. That alone raises questions we can't ignore. Another big concern is ethics and control. If an AI is smart enough to run entire companies or industries, who sets its goals? What do you think? Is an all-powerful AI exactly what humanity needs? Or is it a recipe for disaster? That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. More to come. See you next time.